Hello, my name is Elizabeth Morris, and I am your Scholars Chemistry teacher. I have loved getting to know students in person so far the last couple of weeks. It has brought me so much energy to be back in person and getting to know them face to face. A little bit about me: I went to Butler University and I studied secondary education, chemistry, and Spanish, but really loved all my chemistry classes and loved learning about chemistry and continuing that with teaching. Both prior to Heron High School, I was a middle school science teacher, and then I've been at Heron for about 2.5 years now. And I also sponsor the book club at Heron. Throughout the year in chemistry, we will explore all sorts of different topics and how they relate to everyday life and the world around us, and my goal is to have as many labs, experiments, and hands-on learning activities as possible. We've started some and then have our first major lab next week that we are all looking forward to. So just make sure that you have signed the safety document that your students should have brought home to you to sign so that we can get those labs started. A little bit about grading in chemistry. It's very similar to, or exactly the same as all the other classes at Heron High School. 70% mastery and 30% homework, or IP. Just so you know, when you look at the gradebook, homework is typically out of 2 points for completion. 2 points means they completed it. 1 point means that it was partially completed, and 0 points means they didn't turn it in. So just some information for you. And then mastery, of course, makes up tests and quizzes. Students will have homework, independent practice, typically every night, and it should only take about 20 minutes or less. Try to stick to that. And then students are given 2 late passes per quarter, so just encouraging them to use those if they have any missing assignments. And then remediation, just like other classes at Heron High School, students have 2 mastery remediation passes per quarter, and I'll talk more with students about this throughout the semester as we get closer to benchmark time, and throughout the quarter. But remediation is a privilege, and in order to remediate, students must complete all the assigned practice and then schedule an office-hour time to review that with me to make sure that they understand it before remediation. What do I expect from your students? Just to come prepared and excited to learn all the time so that we can get our best learning in. If your students ever have questions or concerns for me, they're welcome to email me or talk with me after class or in office hours, but really love when students advocate for themselves. But then if you have any questions or concerns, of course, email me, and then of course, I require or expect them to do their independent practice after every class to make sure they're ready for the next class. A few key successes to chemistry. It's important not to fall behind. This class builds off each other just like most math classes or other science classes. So it's important that if they have questions to come to office hours and get those questions answered as soon as possible, as well as do the practice, as that will help them prepare for class and be ready for it. My contact information is as followed. My email is usually the best way to reach me, and then just encourage your students to come to office hours on Tuesday mornings or Thursdays after school, and I have my office hours in the same room. They have chemistry every day. Of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Would love to hear from you, and I look forward to getting to know your students this year.